Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxy Premium. This is heavy, so let's get in here and see what I've got. So this is my June Boxy Premium. Boxycharm has 3 products. They have the base box, which is $25 and you get 5 products. The premium, which is this one, which is $35 and you generally get 6 to 7 products. And then quarterly, you can turn your base into the Luxe if you want, and that is $50. So let's just open this up and see what I've got. I can't wait to see. It's so heavy. Oh, okay. We're wrestling and it's winning. When I open it up, it says a Boxycharm Premium. I have my little card here, which will tell us everything that we need to know about what is in this box. So let's dig right in and see which variation I got. We just never know with Boxycharm anymore. They have so many variations now. I was talking to somebody yesterday who had, I think she said 55. That is a lot of variations. This one's theme is Boxycharm The Oasis, and I received variation number 30, and that is right there. So let's see what I got. Oh, I just showed you my nails. These are the strips that came in the Allure box, and they were by Dashing Diva. They're the glossy strips, and you just kind of press them on instead of having to paint your nails. I think not bad for my first time out. I would definitely recommend trying them. They're kind of fun to play with, and I loved that the minute I got them on, they were completely dry. Okay, we're back on point. Let's just dig right in here right off the top and see what I have. I received a Paddington. I think some people got these last month. I saw them. I think it's brushes. Yes, it is a brush set. It is a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. Well, let's see what they look like. I'm going to take them out of the box. Oh, they're heavy. I like that. They've got some heft to them, so they have a little bit of a quality feel. I like that. They are super soft. I mean, super soft. So they have the nice gold handles. They say Paddington on them. Hope you can see that. So this is our powder and this is our contour. Yeah, probably. This one is nice and dense, so I think I will like that. All right, let's read about them. Paddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. Our high-performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. $90. No, these aren't $45 brushes. That would make each one of these brushes $45. You can pick up, I mean, granted, I'm saying all this knowing nothing about the Paddington brand, but like the IT brushes or Wayne Goss, or they're very nice brushes. I will absolutely give them a try. I think that's a slightly inflated value. Just my opinion. So let's reach in next and see what we've got. Next, we have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleepy Mask. And I think everybody that gets premium received this mask. I will take it out and show you guys, but I'm not going to put it on. Oh, I hate that it's sealed. Well, I do want to take it out and show you guys, but it's going to end up in a giveaway because it is a retinol product. And I don't use any of the vitamin A products, and retinol is one of those. This is a good full size. Last time we got a sleeping mask from them, it was the watermelon one, and it was kind of like a trial size one. So this is definitely it's heavy, full-sized avocado mask. I mean, it is really heavy. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, $49 value. Wow. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off flash facial or overnight mask for a deep recovery. Well, that is a great product, and this product alone covers the cost of the box. So it already makes the box well worthwhile, and I will happily slip that into a giveaway for one of you guys. Reaching in next, I have the Skin & Company Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel with notes of Sardinian Myrto, lemongrass, and wild orange, and this is a limited edition number 9. That is what that looks like. I don't mind receiving body products in this. I use so much gel and I just squeeze it all over my sponge. So I go through all of this so fast that I just don't mind receiving it. So, oh, wow, I am lucky that didn't leak. It was not on very tight and the seal is in the top. Oh, it smells nice. Very lemony. Definitely citrusy, but mostly lemony. I like that a lot. Now, Skin & Co. is the company that we usually get all of the truffle therapy stuff for our face, the gommage and the cleanser, and there's so many Skin & Company truffle treatments. This says, Skin & Company Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. It has a $22 value. Like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of the pressed myrtle flowers and berries that runs through the cobblestone streets. That sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils, this limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. Well, I've never been to Sardinia, but I do look forward to going. Next, I have the, what is this? Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix in Pearl, long wear. That's interesting. I don't think I've seen that in a variation this month. I do think I saw it last month with some of the people that got the Zoeva palettes last month, but I didn't, so I'm happy to try it. As a rule for my eyeshadow fix, I have been for a very long time using the MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I just bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and I'm enjoying that, but I will definitely try this. Let's see what it looks like in that soft pearl. Oh wow, it's very easy. Can you see how tiny that little line is? It's very easy to just get a small amount out. I really appreciate that. Oh, it's kind of got a gold undertone to it. It is pearl. I hope you guys can see that. See how it's kind of a yellowy gold? And I know the theory behind that is a lot of times your lids have like bluing from the veins and stuff, and this is probably meant to counteract that, and I will for sure try it. But with the pearl, I don't know that I will carry it all the way up. This will be fun to play with. I don't mind receiving it at all. If you've had it and have used it, let me know what you think. Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix in Pearl, $12 value. Providing the perfect eye canvas for vibrant eye makeup looks, our Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Pearl prepares the eye with a long-lasting, crease-proof formula for all-day wear. Enriched with rice silk, this innovative, easy-to-blend eye primer works great for oily eyelids, intensifying shadows while smoothing out imperfections. I don't really have oily eyelids, but I do like a fix. Not just because it gives you longer staying powder on your eyeshadows, but I find that with a nice base, you also get a truer color of the shadow. You know, it's a little less muted. So I use a primer every time I use eyeshadow without fail. Reaching in next, and something that everyone was getting, is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. That rattled when I picked it up, and I'm going to try and pretend like I didn't notice, because if you watched me unbox my Boxycharm a couple of days ago, you know that my Tarte palette, that is also something that everyone got, was broken. Let's be more optimistic with this. The box looks okay so far, but it's definitely rattling. Oh, maybe it's the paperwork. Please be the paperwork. Look how pretty that is. Let's just enjoy this in case it all goes amok when we open it. Nope, it's perfect. Yay, I'm so excited. I did not put any contour or bronzer on today, knowing that this was likely going to be in this box and we could play with it. That is so pretty. Oh, it smells like chocolate. That smells so good. Oh, I'm so excited. When it rattled, it was almost going to be more than I could take if this was broken too. We're going to go ahead and swatch these first, and then I'll do a little try on with it. The top row is the highlight, and it's light highlight, medium highlight, and deep highlight. And I don't know how this is going to come across when I edit it, but this is very orange in real life. It is very, terracotta is probably a truer color. So with just swiping over each one with my fingers, those are the three colors that I got. See how orange that is? Let's just go ahead and right on the back of my hand. It's very creamy. I'm surprised how creamy it is. I can almost not see that light one. I'm going to put a little more on. Yeah, the light one is super light. We'll try that on my face too. We'll see if those three are coming across, but those are very light. And then the bottom row is the contour, and it's light contour, medium contour, and dark contour. So let's swatch those and see what we get. So the light, the medium, these are really subtle for as dark as some of the colors look. That's the light, the medium, and the dark. I have to tell you, in a world where I don't even know that I am the light, I wonder who is. We'll swatch those. And that is what those three look like. I like it. This is very, very light though. I think that we'll actually try the medium for the contouring. I know, look at me going out on a limb. So as luck would have it, I have a brand new contour brush, so we'll use this. Let me take my glasses off. I have a mirror over here that I'm gonna look at. First of all, you know what, before I get this dirty with contour, let's swipe. I'm gonna try the lightest Can't even barely see it. I put a little bit of the lightest highlight on there. I can't see it. Now granted, I have a little bit of my hourglass on, but I don't see where that added any extra highlight. Let's dig into the contours because that's really what this is about. I was gonna say I'll try the medium, but you know what? I'll put the light on first and we'll see if we can see it. So I'll just put it right here. And I almost can't tell that I've done anything there. There's a little bit of darkness. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side so ultimately they, oh, well, you know what? That's not fair. See that? That's the lightest one again. I can definitely see that. Interesting. You know what? I might just stay with that. That is a little darker than I anticipated. Let's build it up a little over here. I kind of like that. Should we try the darker one? Yeah, let's just put a little tippity tap of the medium one. And now I'm going to go into this middle one. I'll just put a little on there and we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, see, it's not too dark. I mean, it's definitely darker than the first one, but I don't think it's too dark. Put a little on the other one. This is going to be fun to play with. I like that there's actually a contour palette that I can use the middle shade in. So here we are. So we have the 3 highlights, the light, the medium, and the dark, and the 3 contours, the light, the medium, and the dark. And I put the light and the medium both in my contour. I can't see that in real life. I see on camera right here where it looks a little deep, but I am not seeing that in real life. I'm just going to blend it out a little more. That's a little better, I think. At least it is on camera. We'll see what this all looks like in editing. Okay, well, that was fun to play with. Last but not least, I have one more thing in this box, and it's huge. It is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face masks. This is huge. I like Grace and Stella. One of the first things that I did, and I've told this story on my channel, was I did a Grace and Stella mud mask review. It came in a box, I tried it, and I loved it. And I have used so many Grace and Stella things since then. They actually sent me my very first PR, and it had a hair mask in it and some under eye masks, which I love. So I am happy. I have actually never tried these, so I am really happy to try them. So let's get in them and see what they look like. All right, I just got that open, but I'm going to take a beat and go back because I just realized in all of that playing, I did not tell you about the Cocoa Contour. The paperwork says that the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette is a $44 value. So this one, again, more than pays for the price of your box. This is a $35 box, and this is $44, and this is $49. So in just those 2 products, it's almost 3 times the cost of the box. That's a winner for me. Lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. This buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffused, subtle contour. So natural and effortless, all they'll see is your perfect bone structure. It's still a nice contour, even if I don't have perfect bone structure. Okay. Going back to these nice Grace and Stellas. While we're doing the paperwork, let's just knock the paperwork right out. Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Face Masks 6-pack. So there are 6 in here. That still seems huge. $25 value. Well, I mean, that's a huge box. So right away, I'm thinking $25 value. Seems like a good deal. As we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays. These cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Face Mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating skin. And again, that's a $25 value. Let's open this baby up and see what they look like. That's cute. When you open it up, inside it says, "Good choice." Oh wow, I thought it might be 3 and 3. Nope. It is. This is a mask. That is, Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your face. Oh my goodness. Do I look like a hockey player? I feel like this looks like a goalie mask. That's what it looks like. It is so big. That looks just, yeah, I'm ready to be a hockey goalie. Oh, sports. I miss sports. So the directions are your basic mask. You just put it on a makeup-free, cleansed face and wear for 15 to 20 minutes. It's just that, easy peasy. And another thing that I just noticed looking at the bottom of this is the ingredients. There aren't 800. You know, sometimes masks have an extraordinary amount of ingredients. And this is water, glycerin, chondrous crispus powder, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, corn gluten amino acids, xanthan gum, mica, phenoxyethanol, which I think is the preservative, allantoin, then a couple letters with some numbers, hydrogenated castor oil, and sodium hyaluronate. That's pretty basic for a mask, so I am for sure going to give this a try, and we will see how it does. So that is my Boxycharm Premium this month, and I'm really happy with my variation, number 30. I received the Grace and Stella hockey masks, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Powder, which I really like. You know, I love the scent of it. I know a lot of people try and avoid fragrance in there, but it smells so good. I have the nice Paddington brushes, the Zoeva Eye Fix, the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, and the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. I just took a minute and did the math on my box, and it is a $242 value. That said, that's calling these $90 brushes. And I think that is a generous, generous call. But let's say, for example, you just completely took those brushes away. It's still $152 for $35. Still unbeatable. Plus, these do have some value. It's just a matter of what is it. So thank you so much for coming by, guys, and checking out what I got. I really appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.